In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy a member ID in ClickUp. If you need to reference a specific user in your workspace, copying the member ID is a quick and useful task. This can help when you're working with integrations, troubleshooting, or sharing the correct identifier in the right place. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, start by opening your ClickUp workspace. Once you're inside, look for your workspace name, usually located in the main navigation area. Click on the workspace name to open the menu, then choose Settings. This will take you to the area where administrative and workspace level options are managed. After that, go to the admin section and click on People. This is where ClickUp shows the members connected to your workspace. If you have permission to access this area, you'll be able to view and manage member-related details from here. On the Manage People page, find the member whose ID you want to copy. If your workspace has a lot of users, the search feature can save time. Type in the member's name to narrow the list and quickly locate the correct person. It's a good idea to double check that you've selected the right member before moving on, especially if several people have similar names. Once you've found the correct member, move to the right side of that person's row and click the three-dot menu. This opens a small list of additional actions related to that member. These menu options may vary depending on your permissions, but the one you're looking for is the option to copy the member ID. Click Copy Member ID. As soon as you do that, the ID is copied to your clipboard and ready to use. There's no need to manually type anything, which helps avoid mistakes and saves time. Now all that's left is to paste the member ID wherever you need it. You can paste it into a document, a form, an integration setup, or any other place that requires that specific identifier. If the paste doesn't work right away, simply try again to make sure the ID was copied successfully. And that's it. That's how to find and copy a member ID in ClickUp. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it only takes a few moments to complete. Thanks for watching.